How you doing, gang? I'm going to walk you guys through another strength circuit program. All right, so what we're going to do this week, we're going to start with our Ring of Fire core exercises, okay? So the first one is going to be a high plank Spider-Man. All right, we're going to be in a high plank position, our shoulders right under our hands, hips in line with our shoulders, all right? What we're going to do is we're going to drive our foot, same side foot, to the outside of our elbow. Bringing our foot back down, staying in that high plank position, core engaged, other side, knee to the outside of the elbow, okay? High plank Spider-Mans. Then we're going to drop down. We're going to do a lemon squeezer next, all right? Feet and hands all the way extended. What we're going to do is we're going to drive our knees and elbows together at the top, flexing our core, okay? Feet and hands extend out and back to the top. Lemon squeezer. The last core exercise is going to be a low plank with a hip extension. Low plank on our forearms here. Same thing, our shoulders are right over our elbows. The hip extension, we're going to drive our foot to the ceiling, legs straight, back down, foot to the ceiling. All right, we don't have to hike our foot all the way up. We're just trying to get a good extension of our hip here. Okay, that'll be our core Ring of Fire, 2 rounds of that consecutively, and then we'll do our strength program. First, what we're going to do is a gorilla squat. With that, we're going to use dumbbells. If you don't have dumbbells, we can do all these exercises with gallon jugs of water. So with the gorilla squat, one hand is going to be flexed like a bicep curl up at our chest. The other hand is going to be between our legs. Our feet are nice and wide here, okay? Chest up, squat down. Let that dumbbell drop between our legs. Hips, drive through the hips, all the way forward to the top, all right? We'll do 6 on one side, switch arms. 6 again, gorilla squat, okay? Then we'll put the dumbbells down. You can use a little bit lighter weight for this next exercise. If you don't have a whole sets of dumbbells, we can use cans of soup here, a little bit lighter. What we're going to do is call it a dumbbell high pull with a little bit of external rotation. Dumbbells meet together at the bottom. We're going to have a little bit of bend in the knees, all right? Pulling the elbows wide, dumbbells up to our chin. With the external rotation, we're going to rotate the hands back a little bit. Kind of ending in a stick-up position, all right? Hands out to the side, right here. All right, dumbbell high pull with external rotation. All right? Next, what we're going to do is a press. So what I'm going to use is a bench here. If you don't have a bench at home, you can always do these off the floor. I'll show you with both. So with the bench, I like to put my feet up on the bench. All right? Make sure that back is flat into the bench, not arching in the spine here, there. Alternating press. We're going to lower one and press it to the top before the other moves, all right? Then the other moves down, press to the top. Alternating presses. Like I said, we can always do these off the floor. If you don't have a bench, same thing. Knees bent a little bit. Lower yourself so that elbow's flat to the floor. Press up to the top. Alternating presses. So, after that, what we're going to do is a hip hinge with the dumbbells. Like I said again, you can always use the gallon jugs. With this, dumbbells hang straight down. Our hips are going to push real far back. Our chest falls towards the floor. No arch in the spine though. Let my shoulders drop. My shoulder blades are going to drop with my chest, all right? We don't want to arch here. We want to have a good plank position towards the floor. Our hips are pushing back. After the hip hinge, we'll do a 3-point row. So, one dumbbell, one hand against the sturdy object. I'm going to use my dumbbell rack here. You can always use a tall chair, bench, whatever you need, all right? I like to have my stance split. Whatever foot is back, that's the hand that's rowing, all right? Chest down, just like we did with the hip hinge. We're not rounding in the spine. Our back is nice and flat. We're going to drive our elbows straight back here, all right? 12 reps, and we'll switch arms, switch our stance, pulling that elbow straight back. 3-point row. And then the last exercise is going to be a dumbbell thruster. With the thrusters, we're going to have the dumbbells up on our shoulder, all right? We're going to have a little bit of a squat here. You get a quarter squat, pressing above our head. Back down to the shoulder, squat, press. From the side, it'll look like this. Squat, press. Squat, press. All right, we're gonna go through 3 to 4 rounds. Try to get a good 10 to 12 reps on each exercise. All right, we'll see you tomorrow at 6 a.m., 8 a.m., and 6 p.m. See you guys.